A few days ago, we got to know that many big influencers were seen together in Tokyo with Panasonic Lumix ambassadors Sean and Richard Wong. There was a rumor that Panasonic developed a new AF system along with new Lumix cameras, and today we're getting reliable confirmations of Panasonic Lumix S5 Mark II confirmed specifications. So, let's discuss these upcoming Lumix cameras and when we can expect to see them. It's been over 2 years since Panasonic launched Lumix S5. It's a smaller full-frame camera than other Panasonic S cameras, but it was considered one of the best value-for-money cameras because of its top-notch video capabilities. Still, S5 is placed alongside Sony a7S III and FX3 in terms of video quality, so S5 Mark II is already in a good place to start with. It'll feature a 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor that you can already find on the S5, but this sensor will now be powered by a new image processor that's currently under development. S5 Mark II will be capable of shooting 6K at 30 fps and 4K at 120 fps. This means you don't need to use any external recorder to record RAW in higher resolutions. Its dual native ISO will provide an extended dynamic range and reduce the level of signal noise. The biggest upgrade Panasonic is introducing is the newly developed phase detection autofocus system. In addition, Panasonic released a new PTZ camera, and on their website, they've mentioned that the camera is using the new PDAF system that enables high-speed focusing. So maybe this new PDAF is also going to be used in the upcoming Lumix S5 Mark II. Being an affordable professional camera, Lumix S5 cut costs in the card slot. We might also get to see dual SD card slots rather than one XQD and one SD slot. It'll also have the 3-inch fully articulated LCD screen that you can find in the S5 and S1H. Other than these, there will be no LiDAR, light detection, or ranging remote sensing methods. There will be no DFD contrast detection autofocus system too, so some nifty features will also be missing from the S5 Mark II. But the new face detection autofocus system is rumored to be on par with the new Sony AI autofocus or Canon's AF system. You're not going to miss that much in terms of quality when considering its price segment. Previously, we were informed that many influencers were seen with the ambassadors of Panasonic, and according to the sources, this meeting was arranged for early sneak peeks and suggestions from users' point of view. Renowned CP Plus Camera and Photo Imaging Show 2023 is going to be held in February next year, so if we connect all the dots, we can see that the new Lumix camera is going to be announced on that show for sure. We may even get to see other Lumix cameras like SH1 Mark II and GH6 Mark II in the next year. Subscribe to our channel for more updates regarding Panasonic Lumix cameras. So, are you excited about the upcoming S5 Mark II? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below.